So our website which we created till now by using some terminal command, and also we modified this thing like this. And if we go to the content folder, right now there is nothing. So this site has no page right now. So we need to create some page right now, and then only we can run it on the browser and check everything what there. The first thing, I'm going to create a index page. So I'm going to jump the terminal. Inside here we have to type on command to create a page. So the command is very simple. We have to type Hugo first, and then after that we have to type new, as this is a new page, basically like this. And then after that we have to type the name of the page. So for any page we can directly name like abc, something like that, abc.md, like this. But for only one page, the home page always be index, and it should be under index underscore index. It should be named like this way, md, index.md, like this way, Hugo new index.md. So home page will be always like this. And once we type it, then we have to hit return key, and very shortly it will show us like this. So here it is showing unexpected key name, base URL, this language code, this title, FewSteps, theme, paper mode. So here it is showing some error failed to load config file, unexpected key name like YAML, this thing. So we have to fix this thing. So let me check what is the error I have. So we are getting error for this YAML file. That means there is some error. Let me double check of the file. So this is the YAML file, and here I see, okay, got it. So there is a space after each dictionary keyword, so we cannot type like this. We have to remove all this space like this. So like this we are fine now. And here also there is a space, I'm going to remove it, and like this I'm going to save it. Okay, now it is looking nice and is formatted properly. Now let's go there and let's try to create that thing. So I'm going to type the same command, Hugo new, as this is a new page and this is the home page we are going to create. That's why I'm going to type underscore index.md, and then I'm going to hit return key. And now here we will see, probably it will create this thing. So yes, it created. Here it giving us the message like created, like. So if we increase the size, we can easily see this created. And if we go to the content folder right now, here we see index file has been created like this. Okay, now what we can do, we can go here and then we can start typing like home page, and we can save it. The same way I'm going to create another two files, to our own file like that. And here I'm going to choose something. I'm going to change this thing. I'm going to remove all this 3 plus plus plus. I'm going to use 3 dash, and here also 3 dash. Okay, and here I'm going to choose, instead of equal, I'm going to choose colon. I'm going to fix this thing later, not now. And here is like this, title like this. So here we can mention like home page content. It's a dummy content right now. I'm not giving any content like this. I'm going to type something like that, so that we can see at least there is something like that. Okay, I'm going to save it. So in this way I created on page. Now I'm going to create another page, like for example, like I want to publish some coupon, right? For Udemy courses, I have some Udemy courses, so I want to publish some coupon over that page. So we can go there and we can start typing same way to create a page, Hugo, then new, then the page name, like the page name is Udemy dash coupon dot md, and then we can hit the return key, and very shortly it will create that page, and we will see here is the update. So here it is showing this is the update. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the same thing here, and I'm going to remove this part, and here I'm going to change instead of home page, I'm going to type Udemy coupon, and I'm going to save it. And here we can actually copy this thing, just the body of this website, not like this way. So like this a dummy text for easy understanding. Like this we created this page. So in this way we can create unlimited number of pages based on our own need. Now in the next video we'll see how we can run our website.